Looking back over the last 5 years, I asked myself, would I do anything different? I have no regrets. I think it's been a wonderful ride for everybody involved. When I started this business in 2003, I had no idea that Tar Heel would be a $46 million company.
By partnering with Groundworks, we have traveled at such a speed and such a distance in that time. I don't think anybody could have ever imagined what we'd be able to accomplish.
We have a lot more resources, the trucks, tools.
Being able to have that financial backing to be able to support us to get us the resources that we need has made a huge impact.
In the past 5 years, Tar Heel has been able to grow its revenue by 400%.
In terms of revenue, started off at $11 million, and in 2022, we're going to do $46.6 million.
What's really impressive to me is that dollar amount that equates to homeowners that we've been able to help, to give permanent solutions to give them peace of mind, and to the opportunities that has then allowed us to provide to the people who work for us here at Tar Heel Basement Systems.
We've had the opportunity to expand our production department. In fact, we've more than doubled our production crews.
So at the Raleigh office, we started with 4 CFIs. We've grown to over 25 CFIs.
Groundworks has invested in us by leadership development. I mean, we had Audible, which I took full advantage of. Kickoff of them having these speakers come in and talk to us. Just they're always pushing us to be better people, which in turn makes us better workers.
Some of the things that Field Support has done for us, obviously, is the boot drive. Being able to replace those annually without a whole lot of out-of-pocket or zero out-of-pocket is massive.
We moved from our old location in Raleigh to now our new location in Fuquay, where we've doubled in size from 10,000 square foot to 20,000 square foot.
One of the most gratifying aspects of partnering with Groundworks has been seeing my employees get the opportunities to grow personally and professionally. Several employees have gotten promotions.
We have so many more opportunities that we're able to offer our employees. I think especially in the way of benefits with the 401k and healthcare, I think that's a huge thing.
Managers here have the opportunity to have ownership in Groundworks. It's life-changing when you get to that point as a manager and you get those ownership shares in the company.
Being a part of Tar Heel through this time, the past 5 years, it's definitely allowed me to take care of my family more. Put 2 kids through college, paid for it out of pocket.
The thing I'm most proud of would have to just be the financial freedom. In this position, I've made more money than any other job.
I've bought our first house.
I was in bad shape when I started at Tar Heel, I really was. Now I have 2 cars, a company car. I'm getting ready to buy my own place. I started from the bottom as an installer, and this is where I'm at in 5 years.
It's changed my life, my family's life, and this allows me to give them the life that I never even thought I'd be able to give myself. Dreams come true. I mean, this place is literally the best thing that's ever happened to me career-wise.